Hey guys, Brandon here. So today is my 3 month anniversary on X. In the past 3 months, I've grown to 1,500 followers, 500 newsletter subscribers, and I have landed 4 clients specifically through X. Um, so those are one-on-one paid mentorship clients, high ticket. Um, and people, there's lots of people who in a few months they've blown up, grown to a few thousand followers, and are already monetized and are making good money. But there's a major problem here. Most people on this platform, they have no idea what they're doing. They don't know, and they think that because other people have grown to a few thousand followers, that's all they need to do to start making money through X. But here's the thing: that's not how this works. You don't just grow your account to a certain size and money just falls in your lap. X isn't a business. Just remember that. X is not a business. Twitter's not a business. This isn't a place you just make money. Money just magically falls in your lap the more followers you have. That's not how this works. X is just a marketplace. It's just the town square. It's just the place people meet. Just like, you go downtown to your city center. If you can go downtown and 5,000 people follow you there, great. You figured out how to gather a crowd of 5,000 people. Imagine the crowd of 5,000. You bring them to your downtown city center, and you all of a sudden say, "Hey guys, so just pay me some money." Well, what would they say? They'd say, "Why?" Just because you can gather a crowd, followers, doesn't mean you're worthy of money. If you want to make money through X or any other social platform or your own website or online, offline, doesn't matter. If you want to make money, business, then you need to solve people's problems. There's no other way around this. Everybody's hopping on X thinking that if I just grow my following, money's just going to magically fall in my lap. That's not how this works. The biggest problem is people have shiny object syndrome, and they see the few, outliers, the 1% who do this in just a few months, monetize, and now they're just the next hottest personal brand. But most of the time, they don't see that most of these people actually built a skill ahead of time. The problem is people are getting wrapped up and tantalized, thinking that they can build a personal brand in just a few months, but they never build a skill. They never build a skill that solves someone's problem. So they never monetize, and they get frustrated and spin their wheels and do all this stuff, and then get fed up and wrapped up in, well, why is this person doing this? So, okay, you may be wondering, why is this picture me in the background of this thing right here? Do you see this guy? That old guy? That is me in 2018. So that's me 6 years ago. This was at my final job, the final day job I worked at. I worked 12 hours a day. This is what I looked older there than I do now, and miserable. Look at my face. I literally look, I'm in pain, like physical pain. I felt like it. That's how I felt in my final job. That was me. And, I was just like you, where I wanted to make something work online. I wanted to go and, have freedom and flexibility and work from my laptop and make some more money and, travel the world and do all those things. And so I did. And you know what? I tried so many different businesses over the years. Tried eBay dropshipping, tried bookkeeping, tried web development and stuff like that. And I was trying to go right into a business before actually learning any skills. What I'm getting at here is you need to build a skill first and then monetize. People don't just pay you money because you have following. See this guy here? A few months later, I decided, screw this, I'm out. I'm gonna work something out online, and I dove into copywriting. I built a skill. I took my brother's advice, who had for years he was telling me, stop trying to go build an e-commerce business that's going to make millions or whatever, because that's what he was doing. But he built skills for years. He said, instead, go build a skill and offer it as a service online. Be faithful in that. You're going to start making money with that. And then from there, go build a business after. It'll be a lot easier. Eventually, when I was fed up with my final job, I said, fine, I'll do it. And I dove into writing, and 6 weeks later, I landed my first client. And from there, a couple weeks after that, I quit this job. I quit this job. And that same year, my wife and I were able to travel the world. Copywriting took us to Thailand, Australia, Vietnam, and now I can work wherever I want and work whenever I want. I didn't do this by building a personal brand. I wasn't even on social media at the time. I didn't land any of my clients through social media. I built a skill. I mastered copywriting, and then I offered it as a freelancer. If you look at all these guys, look at Dan Cole. Dan Cole wasn't Dan Cole from the start on X. He was a web designer. People don't understand this. His niche was web design, and web development. As he grew in that niche, he built a larger following, and he brought it. Dakota Robertson, 250,000 followers. This guy was an X ghostwriter. He built the skill of ghostwriting on X, and he offered that as a skill, as a service for people, and made money with that, right? You look at other people, Nicolas Cole, Dickie Bush. These guys were freelance writers. If you look at all the top dogs, all these guys started and they mastered a skill first. They mastered a skill and they offered it as a service to start working online. The problem is most people are trying to skip that step. They're going from step 0 to step 2, when step 1 is build a skill that's in demand as a service and offer it and solve problems. Why did I get to 1,500 followers, 500 subscribers, and 4 high-ticket clients in the past 3 months on X? It's because for the last 5 years of my life, all I've done day and night for my job is copywriting for clients and writing blog posts for clients. So emails and blog posts, client work. I built this skill up for years. And then people see me on X like, whoa, dude, you're growing so fast and things are happening. No. I've been doing this for years. The reason it's happening is because I'm solving a problem. I'm teaching people how to go from not knowing how to write to writing for a living online as a freelance ghostwriter or copywriter, just like me. Just what I do for clients, which I still do. So my message for you, if you want to make money online and you're on X and you're trying to build a personal brand, or you're not sure what you're doing, you're trying to figure it all out. Should I go the personal brand route? Should I go freelance? I'm telling you right now, the fastest path to start making money is to not go the typical personal brand route. The fastest path is to master a skill, dive into it fully, commit to it for a year, commit to it for 1 year, master that skill, go all in on it, just like I did, to get out of that misery that I was in at my final job, and offer that as a service, as a freelancer. People think freelance is like a swear word or something. It's like a curse word around here. Freelance. Are you serious? Look what freelance has done for me. I'm able to take my family to Thailand, Mexico, wherever. I have time for them. I'm making more money than I was making at my previous job. That's what freelance has given me. It's given me way more autonomy. I don't have a boss. I get to wake up and chill and where would I want, work from home or work from a coffee shop or do whatever. And that's what freelance writing has done for me. That doesn't mean you need to do writing, but you need to pick a skill. Pick something. Graphic design, video editing, web development, marketing. Do something. But go all in on it. Build that skill up. Master it. Buy the books. Buy the courses. Do the stuff. Go offer free work to your friends and family. Just go all in. Master that skill first. Just like Dan Cole. Just like Dakota Robertson. Just like Nicolas Cole. Just like Dickie Bush. Just like all the top dogs. master that skill, offer it as a freelancer, and then build your personal brand. That's how you're going to make money fast. That's how you're going to solve real problems. And that's how you're going to monetize better and quicker than anyone else.